Hi there, it's a new day and I'm taking you somewhere with me, somewhere exciting. Let me plug in my mic. Hello, testing 1 2. Okay, so today I'm going to for the Makeup Ghana or AMB fair. So this is like it's a beauty event, so to say. So I just want to vlog this a little bit and then I take you along with me. Yeah, I wish I could actually stay there for much longer, but I can't. I need to pick up Zara from school, and I have a bunch of videos to edit, to film, so really I can't really stay there for that long. So I will see what I will do today, because it's a 2-day exhibition event. So there's going to be an exhibition today, and I'll stop there. I'll go there today and also go tomorrow. Yes, they have an awards night as well, but I won't be able to make it for that. Yes, so yeah, let's see how the day goes. Masking up now.
Okay.
Can you reciprocate the energy? I don't know if you are feeling me, but for now I don't have time to sit and wait. No, I'm kinda tired of all the wishy-washy. One day you want me and you love me, but the next you say that you just want some space and just some time to focus on yourself. I'm so fucking sick of all this bullshit. Just because you're a boy, it don't make you a man. And I don't wanna hear your dumb excuses. You're stringing me along because you think that you can, but you can't.
One, make sure you attend to the clients. Before you start work, you ask them what shape you want, how do you want it. You interact with them positively. And I keep telling my staff, before you even start working on a client, some of them are intimidated by faces, by positions, so they will actually be timid to interact with some of their clients. And I tell them the first point of interaction is introducing yourself and asking them if they want a cup of tea. Then, you break the ice, then you start listening to what they want.
A natural botanical brand. That's the Sienna. Yeah. Okay.
That is one way. Now, I stood on that appointment and I got verified. Okay, and verification is not the goal, but verification also gives you more leverage. So throughout my Instagram journey, it's like a leverage game. See what I mean? You need more credibility, more value, because you're trying to not just be boxed up as this makeup artist, just as a makeup artist. There are so many opportunities. I was contacted by my runway group in the UK, and I was brought in to collaborate with MAC Cosmetics UK and Ireland. And there are even bigger partnerships coming up because they went on my Instagram. I'm just building my website now because I've gotten to the point where there's enough, I have enough stretch and body to put on a website. But Instagram was my main, or has been for 11 years, my main portfolio, my main website, my main information site. That's why I don't believe that you should be worried too much about the numbers. None of the people who actually change your destiny in your career journey care about the numbers. So I'll give you an example. When you watch like American Idol, you realize that there are three judges, and then there's a crowd of maybe 50,000 people, and those people are usually the loudest, they're screaming, boo, 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 yay, and then the three main people who actually decide who is the winner or who actually have like power, they're just three. Usually that is it in your career journey. That's what I've learned, that it's probably just three people out of, I have what, 123,000 followers. 120 or even 120 will not do too much. They would recommend you here, they would like, they would engage. Yes, I'm talking about the Valerie Dawson side. Those 120 will not have too much say over how far I go. Okay, they will have say at a certain stage. But the three main, solid key players that would change or move you out or give you more experience are usually people you don't know and you don't see. That is another reason why we'll come back to the no DMs is a self-play. You shouldn't self-sabotage by saying no DMs. I think there's a lot of egos and there's a lot of weird perceptions around numbers on Instagram.
Thank you, Valerie. Thank you so much. We're drawing to a close, so my last panelist, dear Olive, can we have the microphone? The next question is going to go to Olive, and we are going to close the discussion with this one. So Olive, tell me, in a nutshell, after everything you've heard, and obviously you can share your experiences as well, because I know you have a lot to share, because I see how you engage with your customers digitally. In a nutshell, for hairdressers and maybe even makeup artists in Africa, how is digital customer engagement the game changer? And here's the key, in making lifelong customers.
Okay, thank you. So, Instagram's, Facebook all social media platforms have made us know how we are all global. You may be in your small little corner in Adabraka or Joli or wherever, but you're truly global. And that in itself is life-changing, and it's a game changer. Because like they said earlier, you never know who you would be meeting or who would be looking at you or watching you. I would say before I get to that, being very intentional about engaging is very necessary as a makeup artist, a hairdresser, or whatever business owner you are. Being very intentional about engaging is very, very necessary. So I'm a very practical person. I would say, number one, if you're here and you don't have an Instagram page, you don't have a Facebook page, or any form of social media page, please do one now. Take out your phones and do one now. If you do have one, and it is not pertaining to what you currently do, it is showing off your babies, your children, your husband, and it has nothing to do with your business, please change that to be able to perceive or let people perceive as what your business stands for. That's very important. And create content that you want to attract. You want to attract clients. If your Instagram is to attract clients, create content that would attract clients. If you do not know how to do that, go to somebody that you like, that motivates you, that inspires you, like Miss Valerie, like Marina, or like any one of us over here. Look at what we're doing. Copy us. Just copy. And if you, in the efforts to copy, you can be very authentic. Be yourself. That is a simple call to action to being very global, to engaging, and make sure your business is at the forefront of social media.
If not the one and only. You back again in this our town.
They also
How you did that?
I'm okay.
Let me take the golden handshake from the big man himself.
The wine we are.
Hey, how
Yes. Hi, everyone.
Hello, what's up? Shout out to you, my
Who
baby,
are you?
my
Who
boo.
are you? Who
Me?
are you?
I'm just the guy having a drink.
Shayi, take your time. Take your time. Introduce us.
Okay,
What
my name
do you
is
do?
Kush by Taylor, the hair zaddy. I'm a hairstylist, I'm a trainer,
Ah.
and the girls I'm daddy.
And you?
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Cynthia, a
Okay.
makeup artist under the brand name Painted Perfect GH.
Okay.
Yes.
And then she does hair.
I
Style
see.
my
Oh,
hair
that-
GH.
Oh, you
Yes,
should.
he's my boss.
He's your boss. He's your boss.
Innocent.
Okay, let's meet you also. I'm just seeing you for the first time.
Okay, I'm BALKYZ and I'm a hairstylist also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my brand name BALKYZ Signature.
Osai?
BALKYZ Signature.
Osai's signature.
Yes.
Can you spell that?
OXEZ.
Okay, okay, signature.
Underscore signature. Yeah, that's
Okay,
fine.
nice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm seeing you today.
Hi.
Hi, Wool. Say talk. Talk.
I don't really think to say
Talk.
I'm coming.
So long. Say hello to my camera. All right then.
Editing, video editing.
Madam. I'm not talking to you.
I know
You
she's not talking to me, don't worry.
You
Don't
know. Okay.
So we have editing, video editing, understanding video editing. We have analyzing what is being received.
A little bit of force. So when you're holding it, you don't just hold it like that because you want everything to be sleek. Like this, I don't know if it's the product, for some people, like the undergrowth of their hair is very like, you know, that curly, and then the tip is like this. So when you have that kind of hair too, you just have to apply force. Because the holding spray, when it gets dry, if you don't put it in the right position, you now will suffer. So when you put the holding spray and you brush it very well, you comb it very well, so you can use the comb and then you can use the soft brush. I'll straighten it before I put the wax and the spray. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So because it's not natural hair, it's like relaxed, even though the undergrowth is there. It's relaxed, so you just put the wax directly and then you put the spray. But if it's a natural hair, the kinky texture, the other kind of natural hair, what you do is you straighten it very well. If you have like a steam pot, you straighten out with water, it's easier, it's better. So it's like you're ironing your clothes with normal iron or you're ironing it with the iron that have water. It's not the difference now.
Alright guys, so I just left now and I'm sure the time I'm leaving it's almost 6 o'clock. I'll probably get into traffic. Probably. Actually not probably. I will get into traffic. I'm not sure if I will be able to come tomorrow. But I mean the main thing that I needed for today, and I was able to do some quick shopping there, so yeah. The few people that I saw today, it's been so long that I saw them. People in the beauty industry. Yeah, so chit chat here and there. Randomly time, yeah, anyways. I'm heading home. There's traffic. And that's just it for today. Okay, so I'll see you pretty soon. Alright, so home now. I need to end this vlog here. Can you guys see my face? Yeah, so that's it for today. I'm not sure I'll go tomorrow because I have a lot of things to do actually. Yeah, I need to probably shoot 2 videos tomorrow, work on editing, like it's crazy around here. So in case you don't see me, I'll meet you. I love you. Stay tuned for more videos, and in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, okay? And I'll see you. Take care. Bye.